Hi lovelies, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. My name is Linda and you are welcome to Cooking with Efia. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. All right, so today we are making no yeast plantain puff puff recipe. So easy and I know you're going to love it, so let's get started. All right, so for this recipe I'll be using my self-rising flour. Since we're making no yeast puff puff, self-rising flour is the best flour to use. Okay, I also go in with my powdered milk, and for the plantain I'm going to be using the ripe plantain and I'll be using just half of it. So I'll blend until I get the consistency just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. You can as well use the whole of the plantain if you want to. Okay, I also go in with my sugar and also my water, and the water you add to it really depends on how you want your puff puff. I really want soft puff puff, so the consistency should be a little bit soft and not too hard. Okay, now we are done with everything, so now all that is left is for us to start frying this puff puff right away. Since we don't have any yeast, no need resting this though. Okay, so now let's heat up some oil and make sure the oil is very hot before you go in with your puff puff. We want to fry until we reach or we get the perfect golden brown color that we want. Okay, if you watch till this point, you will notice that I didn't add in any salt. This is because self-rising flour is basically plain flour, baking powder and salt to taste, so no need adding in salt again. But if you taste for salt and the salt is not enough for you, why not? You can go ahead and add in salt if you want. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're still watching this video at this point, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. And now our puff puff is looking all golden and very perfect right now. And so I'm going to remove this from the oil. At this point it's all done. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this no yeast plantain puff puff recipe. It came out so good and I hope you're going to try. And after that I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to know how it went as well. Okay, alright, so now let me use this space to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.